What's going on? How are you?
Hey man, good. I'm not recording yet, but this is amazing.
Larry wanted me to get your first takes.
You're recording. I'm not recording, but you are. Man,
Gotcha.
it's amazing, bro. It's amazing.
You could still, you know, have fab first take.
Oh
but
yeah. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's really nice.
We're on a different, we're at another level. You're on another level with this stuff.
And, but you're on the level. Oh, look at this. He turned the lights on. But you're on another. Look, check this out, Adam.
That's so cool. I peeked in already.
Oh, you already did? Look at that.
Yeah, it's like a Rolls Royce. Yeah,
man.
it's totally like a Rolls Royce.
Wow. It is beautiful.
That is really awesome. This is great.
I'm not even paying attention to that just yet. I gotta take in one thing at a time. And this is really gorgeous. It's gonna make, Brian, my freaking long ass drives, like the one I'm about to do in 10 minutes, my 24-hour drive, which at this point is gonna be the majority at night, it's gonna make it enjoyable at night.
Dude, it's gnarly for sure.
Wow, look at all those lights. And this is the 1,000 light kit, 1,000 lights. Wow, and this is great. I love that. And you got my logo with the font, and I even like that you put your name up there too. I'm gonna have to charge you about $2,000 for that, for having your name up there. But you know, there you go. But it's beautiful. Now let's look at this.
So
look at that.
So I get. Sorry. No, never mind.
Wait a minute. Wow, it's all enclosed. Yeah. So there's no speakers. You can't see any
They're
speakers.
up under here.
Wow. Cool, huh?
I love it.
So that means that my kids, because that was one of my concerns, Brian, was my kids with their big feet banging up into the speaker. So now I don't have that concern anymore, right?
I don't know. Those are protected.
Nice.
Now we're protected.
Oh, wait a minute. You can lift this up?
Yep. Not that there's really much to see there, but you know, it's just all smooth and nice.
Is this factory or you made this?
We built this bad boy.
This is nice. No crap. This looks like a freaking factory, like it was in a factory.
And the materials,
Yeah.
same soft.
No way. Let me ask you this, Brian. If I wanted to lift these seats up, could I put like something on this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
So it's gonna be strong enough to. You know, you got your three woofers under there. You can lift the front if you want to see the.
Oh, there they are. Wow.
3 square
10-inch?
solo barracks, 3 of them. Yep.
Yeah.
Wish we had more light, but
That's okay.
we put all the light up there.
That's beautiful.
Rah.
Like that?
Yep.
Put this back down.
And then this, there's a new pull tab right here. This side never folded down from factory, but we added this pull tab there.
Okay. Right here?
Yep.
Nice. And this is all the components.
Yep.
There's a light back there.
Yeah.
What's that for?
That's that's where all these stars pump out to.
I didn't know that.
And
no way.
You know, kind of left it exposed.
I like that. Yeah, I like that, bro.
I could have taped it.
No, I
solid.
like it. I like it. I like it.
You're like,
I freaking like it.
How the heck do those get up there?
Yeah.
But you know, we got our light source there.
Wow.
And then there's a QR code here. You could scan to download an app for that.
Okay.
And there's an app for the lights on the box, but they're auto mode. It's
Yeah,
like,
I like them just like that, sir.
it's dreamy, you know.
I like them. Wow, this is fantastic.
Yeah, kicker amp, and then settings are all pretty easy to get to.
But I won't have to touch that, right? Because you've already tuned it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, because, you know, when I've worked with you before, I never touched that stuff.
You never?
No, the
did
way
a
you
nice
left
job?
it is the way that was fine with me.
Cool.
Yeah.
And back for another awesome project.
Yeah. It's my 3rd or 4th one with you. We had the Audi S8, then we had the BMW X5M, and this is number 3.
And the X5, that was all hidden in the floor.
Yep.
And Audi was just
there was
a
a box in the
decorative.
back. Yeah.
This is a blend of hidden and decorative.
This is beautiful. Now let me ask you this. Okay, so we see how beautiful it is, right? In your honest opinion, because I haven't heard it yet, how does it sound?
Sounds amazing.
Like
jams. It's clear.
Clear. Yeah. And there's deep bass.
Yep.
Okay. That's what I'm looking for.
Got your little bass knob.
I saw the knob. I saw it.
Aluminum and everything,
yeah.
just to
it was perfect.
blend up in there.
Yep. I saw the knob. I saw the lights you put on. I saw the Super Duty that you put on there, and the platinum in the back. The illuminated Ford that you stuck back there somehow is great. The red one in the back.
Yep.
That's beautiful.
It was a little tricky, but Brad got in there and did his magic.
Yeah. That's fantastic. And I'll be back in about a week or so. As soon as I get back from Miami, I got to drop it off to you again to put the tonneau cover on. Cool. So I want you to do that. I don't want anybody else to do it.
Got you covered.
Yep. Okay.
Right, that's our boy 650 Eve on a new Super Duty.
I'm very happy. It's amazing. And I haven't even heard it yet, but I know I'm going to be happy when I hear it.
Cool. All right, buddy. Thanks.
What's up, everybody? We're here with 650 Eve, one of our good buddies here with his 2022 F-250 Platinum. Balling it out today. Had some awesome upgrades that he brought in some product. We gave him some product and kind of combo, just banged it together. Initially in the back of the vehicle, we added the rear LED Ford emblem. I'll show you how that works.
He's gonna get it up.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there we go.
My favorite part's how it lights up,
Yeah.
how it turns, you know?
That's beautiful.
Vehicle doesn't come with that, so we added that aftermarket as a product that E brought us.
Yeah.
Then we put the black platinum letters in to give it a little pop in the rear.
Yep.
Very beautiful. All
You brought
right.
this thing basically like off the truck, right?
Yeah, it was bone stock, brand new when I brought it to you. And already, just the mods you did to the backs. Nice, really nice.
Nice.
And then up on the side here, continuing the lighting theme, got the LED chrome F-250 logo. The factory one looks similar, but it's not lit up. In the front, you have the matching big Ford logo.
Yeah.
And then same thing, Super Duty black letters.
These are nice and raised. Beautiful.
On the interior, we'll start with stereo modifications. From the front, did some Kicker KS series soft dome tweeters and the A-pillars, and then made some custom silver trim rings for them, just to give it a little bit of OEM integrated look, but still aftermarket. The doors have Kicker 6x9s, front and rear, 3 ways. And then in the back, custom ornamented 650 3 L7R downfiring Kicker 10s. Slamming away.
Explain 650 IB.
Go ahead, bud.
Well, yeah, that's my YouTube name and everything. It comes from, you know, a long time ago I had a BMW 650i, and my name is actually Ebe. And then one day I come out of the gym, somebody had played a joke and put a magnetic B on the back of the 650i.
Really?
Yeah, and it became the 650 Ebe Mobile. And this was freaking 2004, somewhere around there. So I just ran with that name, started using it for social media and everything.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
In the back here, mounted in the behind the rear seat, you have nav TV stereo installs module that lets you add aftermarket amplifiers to the factory B&O system. You got a 4-channel amp, and then the kicker CXA 1200 on the subs. Over there you have the fiber optic piece that you can see now powers the star roof we put in here for him, which is
Crazy
ballin'.
awesome.
Got his logo mounted up there also.
Yeah, pull up that seat. I'm gonna jump in there, do a little filming. Appreciate it, baby. So check this out. This is coming in. We got 650 IB's logo. Check that out. And then up here, the star roof. Check that out. We got another logo plus stereo installs. This is a beautiful car, beautiful truck.
One little fun piece is normally you would have like a CX arc kicker bass knob with that amp, but Brian fabricated this alloy little bass knob here, so it looks like it's meant in the truck.
Oh
You know,
yeah.
you can't tell it's aftermarket. Some people would like put the other one like mounted down here with double tape or something, but we like to integrate stuff like that and make it look factory.
Yeah, that is
Really
great.
good. Job well done, guys. Well
Thank you.
done. I'm very happy
Thank
with
you.
it. It's beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you, man.
Say?
Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Ebe.
You're welcome, man.
Always great to see you.
My pleasure.
You need anything done to any of your vehicles, want to upgrade your life in any way possible, come to Stereo Installs here, 7507 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B, Mentor, Ohio.
I'll be back.
You'll be back. We're good, glad to have you. Glad we could do your truck, man. I hope you love it.
I love it.
We
It's
love
great.
doing the project. It was wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
We'll see you.